I'm going to talk about the NewStartOS, as I have previously recorded a video talking about that NewStartOS by ZTE for free for Chinese CPU, Longsun, and VTM and other CPUs and enterprise or those embedded system is for free. So I'm going to talk about that. I read the news about the 福星号，that is the 福星号, that is the high-speed train in China, also using this NewStartOS. So this article is talking about that our Chinese OS is developing so fast recently, like Harmony OS or some kind of USD pin. And also this NewStartOS by ZTE already, 20 millions already using. Right? So it's very rapidly developing. And this is the NewStartOS. The interface is here. 20 millions using. 20 millions already downloaded by others because it's for free. And high-speed train in China is using. And it's talking about the even financial company and many computers and only many government computer systems, ATM, and also those kind of kiosk also using. Also the 350 km per hour, 350 kilometer per hour high-speed train, also using this NewStartOS by our Chinese company ZTE, sanctioned by the USA. That ZTE already paid a fine, but the USA even now is still sanctioning ZTE, but who cares, right? We can develop our own things, and we got ZTE phone as well selling overseas. And Harmony OS sooner or later by Huawei. We got the ZTE. This is also great. It's the number 4 telecommunication center. So this is very great. And many, this is a Linux based, and many softwares already compatible with Windows. So many government and companies, enterprises using this ZTE, even ATM, ATM, and trains, hospitals, kiosks, tickets also using this. So I make a like to it. So this is talking about the ZTE NewStartOS. Okay, when you Baidu 福星号新支点 可以看到 this is the world's number 1 Chinese 福星号 high-speed train, 350 km per hour, using what operation system? Which is NewStartOS 中兴新支点. We're talking about this 福星号 352 km per hour, also using is running back and forth in Beijing, Shanghai, the whole over China. But the embedded OS using what is NewStartOS. I've talked about this is already showing here. It's the NewStartOS, right? Linux based, and Guangdong province, 中兴新支点 NewStartOS. Okay, give a like. And if you have interest about the NewStartOS, you just go to my previous video and try to see it and download it for free for your computer. Okay, that's all. See you then.